Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 2nd December 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Who has received the 2024 Pfizer Award? Answer is Projit Bihari Mukherjee. Professor Projit Bihari Mukherjee of Ashoka University, Haryana, has received the 2024 Pfizer Award for his book Brown Skins, White Coats, Race Science in India, 1920-66, published in 2023 by University of Chicago Press. Pfizer Award was established in 1958, recognizes exceptional books on the history of science. The award consists of a medal and $2,500. Question number 2. Who has received the FABA Lifetime Achievement Award in 2024? Answer is Soumya Swaminathan. The Federation of Asian Biotech Associations, FABA, has announced Soumya Swaminathan, former chief scientist at the World Health Organization, WHO, as the recipient of its esteemed Lifetime Achievement Award for 2024. Currently, Soumya Swaminathan is the principal advisor for the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program at India's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 3. Who has won the JCB Prize for Literature 2024? Answer is Upamanyu Chatterjee. Writer Upamanyu Chatterjee has won the JCB Prize for Literature 2024 for his book Lorenzo Searches for the Meaning of Life. Chatterjee's book, published by Speaking Tiger, follows the story of a young Italian man who starts leading a life of spirituality after an accident only to discover the banalities of the path. Chatterjee received a cash prize of 25 lakh rupees along with a trophy sculpted by Delhi artist duo Thukral and Tagra, titled Mirror Melting. Question number 4. How many young artists have received the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar for 2022 and 2023? Answer is 82 young artists. The Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar for 2022 and 2023 recently conferred to 82 young artists in a ceremony in New Delhi. It was instituted by Sangeet Natak Akademi in 2006. It honors artists under 40 in music, dance, drama, folk arts, and puppetry. The award includes 25,000 rupees, a plaque, and an Angvastram. The award aims to encourage young artists in India. Question number 5. Who is set to be the new chairman and MD of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL? Answer is Amit Garg. Amit Garg is set to be the new chairman and managing director of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, a Maharatna PSU under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The position has been vacant since 31 August 2024, following the retirement of Push Kumar Joshi. Question number 6. Who has been reappointed as the Director General of the World Trade Organization, WTO? Answer is Nagoji Okonjo-Iweala. Nagoji Okonjo-Iweala has been reappointed as the Director General of the World Trade Organization, WTO. Dr. Nagoji Okonjo-Iweala as Director General for a second 4-year term, set to begin on 1 September 2025. According to the WTO, Nagoji Okonjo-Iweala first assumed office as Director General on 1 March 2021, becoming the first woman and first African to lead the WTO. Question number 7. Vitaly Petrov from which country, honored with IOC Coaches Lifetime Achievement Awards 2024? Answer is Ukraine. Diving coach Jane Figado and pole vault coach Vitaly Petrov were honored with 6th International Olympic Committee IOC Coaches Lifetime Achievement Awards for 2024 in the presence of IOC President Thomas Bach in Lausanne, Switzerland. Both Figueroa and Petrov have been recognized for their long-standing dedication to their respective sports and the athletes they coach. Question number 8. Abdurrahman Mohammad Abdullahi has been elected as the 6th president of which country? Answer is Somaliland. Abdurrahman Mohammad Abdullahi, leader of Somaliland's opposition, has won the presidential elections and was elected as the 6th president of Somaliland. Abdullahi, from Wadani Party, also known as Zero, secured nearly 64% of the vote by defeating the incumbent president Muse Bihi Abdi from Kulmiye Party. Somaliland is a former British protectorate that joined the rest of Somalia on 1 July 1960. In 1991, Somaliland declared its independence from Somalia. Question number 9. Who has introduced its second-generation AI model, GOS2? Answer is Samsung. Samsung Electronics unveiled GOS2, the second generation of its generative artificial intelligence AI model, at an annual tech conference. Samsung GOS, first introduced last year, is aimed at enhancing the work efficiency of workers by facilitating tasks such as composing emails, summarizing documents, and translating content. Samsung GOS2 supports 9 to 14 languages as well as various programming languages depending on the model. Question number 10. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI Funds? Answer is Nand Kishore. SBI Funds Management has appointed Nand Kishore as Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO. He will take over from Shamsher Singh. Nand Kishore began his career at the SBI as a probationary officer in 1990 and moved up the ranks to become Deputy Managing Director. Question number 11. RBI has cancelled the license of the Durga Cooperative Urban Bank, is based on. Answer is Vijayawada. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has cancelled the license of the Durga Cooperative Urban Bank Limited, located in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, that had been operational for 95 years. This decision follows the bank's failure to meet regulatory capital requirements and operational standards outlined in the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Question number 12. Which country has been re-elected to the UN Peacebuilding Commission for 2025 to 2026? Answer is India. Recently, India has been re-elected to the UN Peacebuilding Commission for term of 2025 to 2026. India's current term on the commission was expiring on 31st December. UN Peacebuilding Commission was established on 20th December 2005 by resolutions of the United Nations General Assembly and the UN Security Council. Question number 13. World Computer Literacy Day is observed every year on. Answer is 2nd December. World Computer Literacy Day is observed on 2nd December every year all over the world to create awareness and drive digital literacy in underserved communities worldwide. The theme for World Computer Day 2024 is The Big Three Computing Advances. World Computer Literacy Day was launched in 2001 by an Indian company called National Institute of Information Technology, NITE, to celebrate its 20th anniversary. Question number 14. International Day for the Abolition of Slavery is observed annually on. Answer is 2nd December. International Day for the Abolition of Slavery is an annual global event that is marked on 2nd December. The day has been organized since 1986 by the United Nations General Assembly. even in the 21st century, almost 50 million people across the globe are living as modern slaves, and 71% of them are women, while 25% are children. Question number 15. In India, National Pollution Control Day is observed every year on. Answer is 2nd December. In India, National Pollution Control Day is on 2nd December every year. The date commemorates the anniversary of the Bhopal gas tragedy, which occurred on December 2nd to 3rd, 1984. In the Bhopal gas catastrophe, which occurred on December 2nd and 3rd, 1984, were exposed to the toxic gas methyl isocyanate in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. 2,259 people died instantly. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.